Stop paying agents. You can study in China with zero payment, no tuition, no hostel, no agent fee. If someone asks you for money, it's a scam. Watch this video till the end.
Hello, everyone. I have already uploaded 2 videos for Pakistani students about studying in Pakistan, one on Must University and another on Fast University. Now, in this new series, I will guide you about foreign universities, starting with Tsinghua University, Beijing for undergraduate students. I will explain everything step by step, including admission, eligibility, language, documents, scholarships, hostel, and mess. And the best part? You do not need to go to agents. Everything can be done safely online through the official university portal. Tsinghua University is located in Beijing, China. It is ranked among the top 20 universities in the world and is known as the MIT of Asia. Can you apply without Chinese? Yes! You can apply without knowing Chinese if you choose an English-taught program. You will need IELTS, TOEFL, or Medium of Instruction, certificate. Required documents. Prepare these documents. Passport copy, academic certificates, transcripts, language certificate IELTS, HSK-1, personal statement, recommendation letters, how to apply, visit Tsinghua official application portal, create an account, fill online form, upload documents, pay application fee, submit before deadline, scholarships, available scholarships, Chinese Government Scholarship, CSC, Beijing Government Scholarship, Tsinghua University Scholarship. These may cover tuition fee, accommodation, monthly stipend, medical insurance, after acceptance, receive admission letter, apply for X1 student visa, travel to China, register at university. Fraud warning. No university. Guarantees admission. Asks for huge fees. Selects via WhatsApp agents. Medium of instruction. MOI certificate. Most important. Issued by your school, your college, or your education board. It must clearly state the medium of instruction for this student's education was English. Final advice. Tsinghua University is competitive, but possible with proper planning. Start early, prepare documents, and apply smartly. In next video. CSC application. HEC process. Best universities for average students. Like subscribe and share and push the bell icon.